Hi, friends. This is Reverend Graylin Scott Hagler. I'm the senior pastor of Plymouth Congregational United Church of Christ in Washington, D.C. And I'm speaking to you to invite you to come and be a part of the Sabeel Conference, which will go from Friday, November the 20th to Saturday, November the 21st. And it is a conference as we continue to vision and strategize around what we must do and what we can do to support the Palestinian struggle. For the last 2 days, we have been demonstrating here in Washington, D.C. to protest the appearance of Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, who has come here to ask for an increase in money that the U.S. government gives to Israel to oppress Palestinians in the West Bank and in Israel, up to $50 billion over the next 10 years. That's an obscene amount. If you can imagine what we could do with $50 billion in places like Ferguson, Missouri, and places like Baltimore, that's what it's about. It's about really revisioning what we do with our money and prioritizing what is not done with our money, and calling for justice not only in the streets of Baltimore and in the streets of places like Ferguson and New York and all across this country, but also calling for justice in places like Gaza as well as the occupied territories of Palestine. We need to stop the occupation. We need to stop funding Israel to continue to oppress people. It's just like many of us, including myself, stood up against the apartheid regime in South Africa numbers of years ago. We're calling upon ourselves now to stand up at this moment against the apartheid regime in Israel as it continues to oppress Palestinians. Join us in this conference in Minnesota, in Bloomington, Minnesota, on Friday, November the 20th, and Saturday, November the 21st. Look forward to seeing you there. Take care.